Now, China has welcomed Uganda's clarification that two Chinese nationals allegedly involved in an ivory trafficking case are not diplomats. That's according to a Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson. Uganda's Ministry of Foreign Affairs has issued a statement confirming the two Chinese nationals accused of collaborating with wildlife authority officials in exporting ivory are not accredited diplomats of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Uganda. The ministry says it regrets the negative impact of the incident and has reiterated its commitment to strengthening relations and friendships with China. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lu Kang says public servants, diplomats and government dispatch personnel abroad abide by strict regulations and codes of conduct. They are prohibited from purchasing, trading or carrying any rare or endangered wildlife species or their products, and those who violate the regulations will be severely punished. Lu has added that China supports African countries, including Uganda, in dealing with such cases in accordance with their laws.